Hey, it's Tuesday, which means it's our tips and tutorials for the week. My name is Emmanuel Osasir, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today's Tuesday tip, we're going to go over how to make ice cup massages. And this is really good and key for after day soreness when you're working out or any soreness basically in general. This is going to be a nice way to help you recover for the next day. So all you're going to need is paper cups and water. Okay. Just fill the cup up with water. Once you freeze it, this is what it's gonna look like, okay? And you'll take the cup, just rip off the top, and when you're ready to ice down, you simply have an ice cup, and you're ready to go and prepare yourself for the next day. So that's it, guys. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button. I hope this helps on your fitness journey, and let's do this again sometime.